Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 13 to the power of 5 minus 13 is equals to what? And we solve this problem for all. We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working in this paper. Okay. So first we need to focus on the exponent of this term, and we break this exponent as this is 13 to the power of 5, and we write it as 13 to the power of 4 plus 1 minus 13. And here we use this nice exponential rule. We know about that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. And now further in the next step, we break this exponent, and this will be written as 3 to the power of 4 times 13 to the power of 4 times 13 to the power of 1 minus 13. And here you see that both of these two terms involve 13. So we take common 13 from here, and we get the remaining values are 13 to the power of 4 minus 1. So here first we need to find the value of 13 to the power of 4. So we again break this value as, here we have 13 times, we write it as 13 to the power of 2 plus 2 minus 1. Then now we again apply this nice formula, and we write it as 13 times 13 square multiplied by 13 square minus 1. So now here first we need to find the value of 13 square, and then we move forward so that we here take 13 square, because you know about that calculator is not allowed in this problem. So that's why we need to do all of these steps. So this is 13 square, and we write it as 13 times of 13, and further we break this 13 as, we write 13 as 10 plus 3. Okay, and now we multiply this 13 separately on both of these two values, and we get 13 times 10 becomes 130. 13 times 3 becomes here 39. So when we sum up both of these two values, we get 0 plus 9 becomes 9, 3 plus 3 becomes 6, and this is our 1. So we get the square of 13 is equals to 169, and we replace this value on both of these two places. So now our above expression is copied down here. This is 13 times of 13 square into 13 square, and we replace the value 13 square here, and it will becomes 169 times 169 minus 1. And further in the next step, we first multiply these two values, and then we subtract it 1, and at the last we multiply it with this 13. So we write it as, we break this 169 as, this is 169, we write it as 100 plus 60 plus 9, and this is minus 1. And when we solve this, and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 13. So here we multiply 169 on each of these values, and it will becomes 169, and we just write these two zeros here. And when we multiply this value with 60, we consider this is one digit number, this is our two digit number, and we get 0 times this number becomes 0, and 6 times this number is equal to 6 nines are 54. We write 4 and carry 5. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 5 becomes 41. We write 1 and carry 4, and these 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4 becomes here 10. And plus in the same pattern we multiply 169 with this 9, and we get 9 nines are 81. We write 1 and carry 8. So 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 becomes 62. We write 2 and carry 6, and 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 6 becomes here 15. So now in the next step we need to sum up all of these values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by this 13. So further in the next step, we sum up these values, and we have 0 plus 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 0 plus 4 becomes 4, 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, 10 plus 5 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So this 6 plus 0 becomes 6, 6 plus 1 becomes 7, 7 plus 1 becomes 8, and this 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. So finally we sum up these values and we get here this number, and now we need to multiply this number with 13. So we again break this 13 as 10 plus 3. Okay, so here when we multiply this value with 10, we get 28561, and we just write this 10 here. And when we multiply this value with 3, we get 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, we write 8 and carry 1, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 becomes 16, we write 6 and carry 1, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 becomes 25, we write 5 and carry 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 becomes here 8. And now in the next step we need more simplification here, and we sum up these two values and we get 0 plus 3 becomes 3, 1 plus 8 becomes 9, 6 plus 6 becomes 12, we write 2 and carry 1. So 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 10 plus 1 becomes 11, we write 1 and carry 1. So 8 plus 8 becomes 16, 16 plus 1 becomes 17, we write 7 and carry 1. So this is 2 plus 1 becomes here 3. And now finally we have the final simplified form of 13 to the power of 5 minus 13 is equals to 3 7 1 2 and 9 3. This is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.